I got asked to do a tutorial on one of my more recent videos. Let's see. I think it's something like this cluster is where I start. Um, and then with my thumb here, boop, 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 boop. And then you asked the question on this move. It's really simple. Just take your thumb. And I stole this from Creepa. Love Creepa. I can't stop stalking him on Instagram, but it's really simple. Just moving your fingers over and the other one, and then at this point I do this kind of like sleight of hand thing. I push this thumb like kind of compression wave almost, right? And I'm pushing the thumb down, but I'm taking my opposite thumb and dipping it below my fingers. I can't bend that thumb far down enough. The way that Creepa does it is he has this thumb right here. And I just don't really like that. I like having this thumb down there because, I don't know, the swing on it has more range. And so what I do to hide the fact that it's a different thumb is I have these three fingers in the way, and I try to like pivot these two opposite of each other. So when this one's going and this top one is swinging this way, my thumb is swinging the opposite way. And then basically by the time this one meets this one should be hidden, and my other thumb that's hiding behind these fingers should be popping up. And then I move into like a cluster, and then can move back, and then move back down, and move again. Oop, oop. So yeah, it's just kind of playing with somebody's field of view and hiding that thumb, and trying to be really smooth about this thumb disappearing before this thumb reappearing and going into the cluster, and then coming back, same, and then coming back up and keeping this thumb hidden behind your hands. And I like to have my thumbs blue, thumbs and pinkies blue, and then the rest of these yellow. So if you can imagine seeing the blue dot go behind and then come up, some people will like trick their brain into thinking it's the same blue dot or the same blue light. Really, it's two different thumbs. Boop, and then dip down, come back around, boop. So yeah. And yeah, so just to start off again, I start from this cluster for this specific move. I mean, you can start really anywhere, but I've been playing around with this cluster a lot and kind of want to get more into it. Boop, 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 boop. And stack. And then under, up, up. Yep. Anyway, have fun.